Number 2 is FLSUN V400 Delta 3D printer. Are you looking to bring your LEGO creations to life? Prepare for an incredible building adventure with the FLSUN V400 Delta 3D printer. This little gem is a dream come true for LEGO enthusiasts. Imagine lightning-fast printing speeds that will make your head spin. With a blazing speed of 400 mm per second and an acceleration of 8000 mm/s superscript 2, this printer is like the Flash of the 3D printing world. It's 400% faster than the industry standard, which means you'll be saving a whopping 70% of your precious time. But it's not just about speed, it's about size too. The FLSUN V400 boasts a larger print size, measuring a generous 10.2 inches L x 10.2 inches W x 13 inches H. That means you can create more significant, intricate LEGO designs that will blow everyone's minds. Let's remember the detachable PEI spring steel platform. It ensures a solid first layer adhesion while making it a breeze to remove your finished models. The hot bed can be heated up to 110 degrees Celsius, so you can experiment with materials like PLA, PETG, wood, ABS, PC, and TPU. The possibilities are endless. If you want to buy the 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box to purchase it.